Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
Joints. Friends, did you notice that we are able to bend or rotate our body in places where two parts of our body seem to be joined together, like elbow, shoulder, or neck? These places are called joints. So what exactly is joined together at these joints? Press your fingers against the top of your face, head, hands, etc. Do you get a feel of something hard pressing against your fingers? The hard structures are the bones. Bones cannot be bent. So how do we bend our elbow? It is different bones joined together at the elbow. Similarly, there are many bones present in each part of the body. We can bend or move our body only at those points where bones meet. There are different types of joints in our body to help us carry out different movements and activities. So let us carry on and see what are these different types of joints, shall we?